Hello, my dear friend. I'm so happy that I'm coming back from long time absence. Okay, today I'm gonna explain about some hack tools that is really useful as for the MITM attacks that are it's known as a man in the middle attacks. We have so many different tools, but for example, mostly um, maybe many of them has been hearing about the name of Better Cop as a MITM high, of course, attack tools. But today I'm gonna explain about xerosploit. It is very useful tools that has been written by the by the Python language. As you know, many of hack tools has been written with of course Python, Perls, and things like that, and most of them are usable in the uh, Linux OS system, especially with the Debian distro. But okay, it's not today our issue. Uh, you can, of course, cloning uh, all of these tools from the GitHub. As you can see, this is the page of xerosploit. Here I can of course clone it, and easily by the command git clone and pasting this URL I can download it. I already uh, downloaded this package, as you can see, and this is the content of the package. After you making this package clone from the GitHub, here is the install py file that it must be executable. I already of course made it executable by the command of chmod, and by, for example, plus x or number 777, you can make it executable. After you make it executable, we run install.py easily by the dot slash and install.py. The installation will be processed after we install all the package without error. We can run by dot slash xerosploit.py, and of course it said that you must be root, so I make myself as a sudo user. So here I put my password. So and one more time, if I run this command, so here, as you can see, it is showing information of my system. This is the hostname of my system. This is the network interface that I'm using. That is my Wi-Fi. This is the default gateway IP address. This is MAC address of course my interface, and this is my IP address in the network that I'm using. So if I want to get for more information about the command that I can use, I easily write helps. So it here said it's showing list of the command that I can use, like scan to scan my network. As you can see, here is good information about each command that we have, like if of course I phase is manually set your network interface. Which one you get, you can manually set your gateway. Start skipping a scan and directly set your target IP address. If you know, of course, you already has been gathering your information about your targets. And rm log help exit, and as you can see, rm log is a removing log. You can delete all the logs that zero exploit has been made, and so easily know how here it's easily usable. It's not hard at all. Now here I write a scan to scan my network and getting information about my network, about the IP addresses. As you can see here is the three devices. This is my device. These devices are unknown, but by the OUI part of the MAC address, I easily can search and find out about the device that which device is using inside the network, and this is my default gateway. For example, I want to start man in the middle attack in my, of course, default gateway. So I copy it and paste here. So after you set your target, as you can see, it has been target has been set. It said that which module you want to use. Easily I can write help again. So here, let me make it full screen. As you can see, we have pscan for portal scanner. We have the denial of service attack, ping request inject HTML codes, JavaScript codes, and different tools which are mostly usable for the MITM attacks. Uh, as far as I know, deface is not usable as for the last time that I have tested, but by the replace, for example, we can replace a special picture with the picture of the website that our target is surfing. uh, by the, for example, move by the mv command, it start to shake, but it is cloning the page, and we can see exactly all the information of the page that the after, of course, victim is surfing. I don't want to use any of them. This is just a recommendation for these tools, but uh, by starting and easily just uh, run using run command, they will be run, and it is really powerful tools. But here the most important part that I like to explain to all of you is that if we use VPN, or the website that we are surfing is using SSL CA, I mean it's HTTPS secure, man in the middle attack doesn't work. This of course tools cannot be usable. So please, it is really important for our safety. We use VPN in our surfing, special surfing, because it make, of course, our surfing safe. And if we have a website, I recommend to use CA for encrypting the data between, of course, sender and the receiver. So by this way we can make, of course, our serves or our platform safer in front of MITM attacks. Of course, it is not impossible that the hacker can use MITM, but it make it harder for them. So after a long time, I'm back. I will be releasing much more, of course, educational videos, especially for educational purpose, about the hacking and about Linux and things like that that are my favorite. So they will be launched bit by bit. Then this is just a beginning, and hope you enjoy it.